Hey ladies, it's me again. So I wanted to do a video on just how to place an order because my last video was to how to create a party and how to place an order. For some reason my voice sounds really low today. Hopefully you guys can hear me. But anyways, if you are joining my team and you're new and you have an order to place now, so I'm going to show you. You go to 31 today. Hopefully you watched my last video and you already created your party. So we're going to sign in here. Everything is brand new because it's September 1st. Then we're going to go over here to virtual office. Okay, so once we're in here, you're going to see all these tabs up here. So your party should be already created. There should be a launch party. So I'm going to go to my launch party. So go into there and then you're going to go to orders. Okay. So once you're in here, you're going to see up here a new order. So that's what you're going to want to click to place an order. If you're on my team and this is just the beginning of your party, I am going to suggest that you do a bulk order because shipping can be $8 above 100 or $12 under 100. So I don't want my customers paying $12. That's insane. So I do bulk orders. I do like 1 week at a time, and I collect orders for that whole week. At the end of the week, I charge everybody $2 shipping. So it's either I have to fork out a couple bucks or I get a little more shipping at the end for my next order. You know, it all evens out at the end. So put your email address and whatnot, your phone number, and bulk orders have to go to you, obviously, because there's multiple orders on there. So you're gonna need to sort it out. It's not gonna go to the customer's door for $12, unless they are ordering from, let's say, Nova Scotia, super far. They're gonna have to pay the 12. So bulk orders, I'll show you exactly how I do my bulk orders. So she wants the all pack duffel, and then the all pack duffel, so it comes in 2 patterns. We'll do charcoal, add to cart, and then I want to go view my cart. Okay, so we've got one special here available. So the girl that ordered the all pack duffel doesn't want her special. She already spent enough money. She doesn't want it. So what you're gonna do with this special, it's either you're gonna raffle a PS bundle at half price and raffle it off anyways, or you can ask someone that, you know, doesn't have a lot of money or and doesn't want to spend anything if she wants a 50% off item, or you're going to post on your group if somebody wants an all pack duffel at $52 instead of $104, right? Because then at least you're getting $52 instead of somebody ordering a $6 key fob for $3. Okay, so you try to push the higher priced items for these half off. So now you found a customer that actually went through the catalog and wants a window shopper at half price. So that's awesome because it's $104. So that gives you $52 in PV. Okay, so now you've got those 2 items in there. You want to give them totals as soon as possible, right? Because if you don't give them a total, if they don't pay you and then you ask them next week, they might just forget about it and say, nah, I don't need the all pack duffel anymore. I'm good. I found my old one. So you're going to give them a total. And because it's a bulk order, you've got 2 people on here. What are you going to do, right? So you're going to do $104 for the first person. Okay, grab your calculator. Let's do it together. So I've got my calculator. I'm going to do $104. Okay. Do you want to charge $2 shipping, $4 shipping? If you think you're going to submit this order right away, it's going to be $8 shipping over $100, right? So You can charge the duffel $4 shipping, and you can charge the window shopper lady $4. It's up to you. It's your call. So I'm going to do 104 plus $4 shipping, okay? That equals, that's 108. Then you're going to do times 1.13, and that's the total of 122.04. So that is her total. Now we're going to do the window shopper lady, which is $52 plus $4 shipping equals 56, and then times 1.13, 63.28. So there you go. You've got two ladies that want these awesome bags, and they're saving on shipping. So the more people you get on the same order, you can save them shipping, okay? So it's up to you, but always remember, give them a total right away. So just decide if you want to charge $2. If you think you're going to get more orders later on, charge them $2. If you think that's it, then $4 or $6, okay? So it all depends. It's up to you. Eventually, well, never mind. We'll go into details with that later on. I don't want to do too much here. Okay, so then you're going to do direct ship to your place, okay? So this is my address, and we're going to go down here, and we're going to go to payment. So I'm going to put it on my file card. In your office, you can put your on file card, or you can enter it every time, but it's easier to just enter it. Right there, $185.32, save payment, and then I would do submit the order. Okay, so that is how you place an order, ladies. Awesome. Anyways, congratulations on joining my team, and I can't wait to see how you'll do this week.